All right, I got a package from Amazon here. Let's see if we got ourselves a wonderful new blade. Rip that open and see what we got. Okay, so we got a nice sealed box here. It says Minaway. This is a brand I found on Amazon. Let me peel that back and let's take a look. This is cool looking box. You got a, what do we got here? Ah, it's one of these deals. Got that special flap. We got a leather sheath. Just keep going on the box. We got some sort of hex tool, double-ended. We got a cleaning cloth, a pouch to keep blade in, and we got a folding knife here. And look at that. Excellent packaging from this company, Minaway. So let's take out the knife here. And take a look at it. So it's not a big knife, but gosh, it is beautiful. Flipper. Yeah, just check that out, guys. Let's bring it to the tabletop and take a little bit of a closer look, all right? Here, let's take a close-up look at this. We'll just pan right across here. Look at that nice Damascus pattern. Back it out a little bit. All right. So we got a maple and a resin handle. Isn't that gorgeous? And this Damascus blade. Look at the nice pattern. Now with this Damascus, it is a VG10 core, and it is at 60 on the Rockwell scale. So this is the box. Came in. It almost looks like a football, you know, that brown textured thing. But guys, this is one beautiful knife. Handle it's a little bit small, but you know, it's not a big knife. 3.1 inch blade, so probably a 4-inch overall handle. Came with this lanyard here. And look at this file work on the back spacer, and this scroll work here on the bolster. This is a really nice knife. Solid lockup, no rocking there. Liner lock. So we push that over, close the blade. Whoop. Very cool Damascus pattern here. So if you would like a knife like this, look up Minaway knives on Amazon and see what else they have to offer. They have a lot of really beautiful Damascus patterns, just like this. Here's that cleaning cloth, the pouch, and oh yeah, we didn't get the belt sheath out. Yeah, if you didn't notice, there's no pocket clip. So let's open up this. Let's check out this leather sheath. Look at that lion's head right there. Check out this side. So it looks like if you want, you could run this sideways on your belt through that. Or of course, you know, vertically through here. The snap closure, very cool touch there with the lion's head. Man, that's real cool. So let's well, I guess we got to close it up first. And we'll just slide it down in. Maybe we'll put it in tip down. That way we could pull it out with that lanyard. Of course, I'm doing that off camera for you all. Adjust that here. Let's see. The leather sheath is a snug fit, which that is not a complaint. You want your leather sheaths to fit snug. It'll loosen over time. But yeah, that'll be real nice to ride on somebody's belt. Look at the detail on that sheath. Stippling here, and then this, I don't know, I'll call it a seashell pattern. Other design up here. I'm pretty pleased with the craftsmanship on this. You know what? Since it's so stiff, yeah, I gotta use that lanyard to pull it out. Can't really get your finger down in there. So, again, nice, beautiful knife. Minaway knives, guys. Look them up on Amazon and get yourself a looker like this one. Functional art.